Merge pieces and merge pieces with grading can be used to easily set pieces together and trace the resulting geometry. Both macros function in the same way, however merge pieces with grading also stacks the grade nest. Start the macro. 2 stacking points need to be selected, one for each piece. Keep in mind that the highlighted element determines the stacking direction. Click the point on the first piece and then proceed to the second one. The macro positions the pieces according to your selection. Check the shape of the resulting piece. You can either complete the macro by left-clicking, or merge additional pieces by clicking right. Select the 2 pieces the same way as before and check the result. Once completed, click left to end the macro. The original pieces will remain on screen and a new merged piece is attached to the mouse cursor and can be placed using a left click. When merging graded pieces, the piece that is selected first will keep the position of its grade nest. The grading of the second piece will be stacked to match that of the first one. It is recommended to check the grading